And so, did you guys just go to the beach?
Yes.
Okay. Now, did you guys bring the alcohol with you? And so who brought it?
I did.
You brought the alcohol? Okay. But you drank all of it.
A police officer in Florida pulled over a pickup truck that was driving on the road. The reason? The windshield and front windows were tinted too dark, violating the regulation that requires at least 28% light transparency. When approaching the vehicle, the officer asked the driver to roll down the window and present his driver's license. Both the male driver, Josh, and the female passenger said they were 20 years old, meaning they were under the legal drinking age of 21 in the United States.
Can you lower the back?
Lower the back?
Yeah, lower the back for me. Alright, that's good. Alright. I stopped because you're tint, man. Can you roll this up for a little bit?
Oh, yeah.
Stop right there. Yeah, your tint's illegal, okay? Has to be 28 in the front. So you roll your window back down. Do you have relationship registration insurance? I didn't check your ID. How old are you, man?
20.
20?
Yeah.
How old are you?
20.
20 as well? I'm sorry, it's probably been 15 years since I've ever even discussed an O2.
Yeah.
Is it 21, or is it 20 and under, or is it 18 and under?
21.
Okay, so he could be 20 and still violate the O2? Okay, then we're good then. I just want to make sure.
Yeah, you want to have them sit out?
Yeah. All right, man, a couple things, okay?
Yeah.
One, I smell alcohol coming from you, okay? Have you been drinking today?
I drank like a beer like 3 hours ago when I was on the beach.
Okay. Your eyes are kind of hazy or glazed over as well.
Mm-hmm.
So if you would come on, step out.
Yeah.
Also, I can see that there's a vape in your center console.
Yeah.
So just go ahead and step out for me.
Yeah.
Just your butt up against the back of the truck right there. Yep, just right there. Stay there.
Check what? Okay. Hello.
Hello, can I put my shorts on?
Of course. Are they in the back seat here?
Yeah, they're in my bag.
Yep, that's fine. No problem. Hey, how old are you? Are you willing to provide a breath sample?
Do I have to?
Okay, well, what happens is if you do refuse, your license will be suspended.
Oh, yeah, I'll do it. Yeah.
What I'm going to have you do is just blow one long continuous breath outwards. It's going to click.
Yeah.
All right? Just keep blowing until I tell you to stop.
All right.
All right? Good. Keep going, 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 keep going. Good. All look at it together. Okay. Got 052.
Yeah, we live, well, his parents.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
I do. Do you need it?
Yeah, can you grab that for me, please?
I think it's also in my bag.
Okay. It's over here. I mean, I have to go over. I'll check. I'll check. Thank you.
Just for change right back for 1 second.
Yep.
I'm gonna. You seem a little nervous, man. You're kind of waiting a little bit for me, okay? I really don't feel like chasing you. I don't know if that was your intention.
Not at all.
I don't know if it was, man. But
Not
either
at
way,
all.
so. While he works on that and he gets that worked out, okay?
All right.
I'm gonna sit you on the tailgate.
Yeah, that's fine.
Can you hop up there?
You have her back there too?
She can go back there, yeah.
Alright, you want to just come sit next to him? My room closer.
And so, did you guys just go to the beach?
Yes.
Okay. Now, did you guys bring the alcohol with you? And so who brought it?
I did.
You brought the alcohol? Okay. But you drank off of it. Okay. So, have you guys been through spring break time the past couple of years in the New Smyrna?
Yeah.
So you know how crazy it can get?
Yes.
We weren't doing.
Listen, I don't know you, man. I'm not judging you, okay? You seem like a decent dude. I'm not judging you by any means, okay?
Yeah.
We just have a zero tolerance policy right now.
Yeah, I get
and you guys have seen the law enforcement presence. Like, we warn people on social media. Like, we put it out there. Like, if you're doing something, anything illegal, whether it's riding with loud music or whether it's with alcohol or fighting, like, or bringing guns, like, to that extreme. No matter what it is, like, we have a zero tolerance policy, and you guys are going to get in trouble. I just don't understand why you guys thought like that it was a good idea. You're going to jail for possession of alcohol under 21. All right. I'll finish searching the truck and make sure there's nothing else that's going to be. But yeah. So, and this will be explained to you here in a little bit. But basically, it's an O2 violation, and it actually comes it actually restricts your driving privileges. So, but we'll talk about it when we get back to the. We have a command post over there. We'll talk when we get over there. Okay. I haven't searched him. Okay. You haven't searched him. Next problem is I can't rightfully take him to jail and not you because you knew that you had it as well. Okay? So you're going to go for the same thing. Except you're not getting your driving privilege suspended.
So I'm going to jail?
You're going to go to jail for possession of alcohol. You were both in the car. You both had knowledge about the alcohol. I had to ask because I don't want to just assume that it's his. So when I ask and you claim that it's yours, and I can't just pick and choose who I take for things, okay?
Yeah.
So, if I would have realized at the time, if we would have said it's mine, you didn't drink any of it or anything like that, then I would have had to decide what to do then. He admitted to me when he was over here, when we were testing him to make sure, I don't want him driving home. Like, I don't want him,
yeah, I understand that.
He has been drinking, so if you guys get into a crash, I'd feel bad.
Yeah.
So I had to make sure that he was safe to drive, period. But then, of course, it comes into the fact that you guys probably have alcohol. He admits that he knew it was back there, that there's still some left in the cooler. You say you did it, it's yours, you brought it, some of that. So you both had knowledge of it, so unfortunately you both are going to be going to jail today.
Okay. Am I able to call my mom?
You can call her. You're going to go to the Volusia County Branch Jail. Your bond will be $500. If you use a bail bondsman, I think it's $100. But it'll probably be a couple hours before you get up there, but you call and just let me know what happened. On that door, there's a set of cuffs. Will you grab them for me?
Dad? Hey, just a heads up, me and Josh just got sent to jail. We're on our way to the Volusia County Branch in Daytona. Because we got caught with possession of alcohol, and Josh was driving, and we had Malibu in the cooler. Okay, thank you.
Corporal Officer out of there.
I still remember you.
My dad is coming to meet us.
To jail?
Yes.
Call him back and tell him it's going to be a couple hours.
Okay, I'll text him.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Do you have anything else in your pockets at all?
I don't. You can check me.
That's not necessary. Just turn around for me. Area. And on the opposite side of the car.
Is there any way I can use the bathroom?
Bathroom?
Yeah, I really have to pee.
Yeah, I'll see if there's a female officer available to take you.
Okay.
I'll see what the procedures are for the. Usually we're at like a station, so we just take you to the police station.
Thank you.
I'll find out for you. All right, Josh. I'm gonna put you in that van. All right. Bye. He's going to do his own search of you, just like I did. And then he's going to transfer cuffs, and then you'll go in, okay?
I'm not seeing that tag earlier in my call.
Go and spread your feet.
You got a thing on you that poke me, stick me, stab me, hurt me in any way, shape, or form? When the hand comes out of the cuff, put it up on top of your head. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Get backwards on these cuffs. Spin around, face me. Face me. Give me a hand. Turn it up. You'll be going into the left one. Cut down because it is short.
Blanco Flagger Ave on 426 Delta, Hotel Delta, black.
What's going to happen is I'm going to take these cuffs off. I'm going to be facing the van. Once that cuff comes off, your hand needs to go up on top of your head, understood? Whatever. Cheap gloves.
Both hands.
Nope, one hand's going to be coming out, the other one's going to be staying in. Okay? Put it up on top of your head. Spin around, face me. Bracelet needs to come off, necklace, all the earrings.
Do you mind helping me? Yeah, sure.
I'll go grab her bag.
I just got it for my birthday.
I'm putting all your stuff in this bag here, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Got you. Thank you.
Born? Okay.
How many rings is it?
That was 2 rings.
2 rings.
2 rings, 1 bracelet. And she has a necklace, 1 necklace.
My nails don't help at all.
Is there any metal in the hair tie that you have on?
No, sir. It's just elastic.
That's it?
I believe so.
Okay.
Does it come out?
I'm sorry?
Does it come out?
Come what?
The belly button.
Belly button?
Oh, yes.
One that we took in yesterday. Does it come out? Does it come out? Does it come out?
No, I've had mine for like a year. So.
And the officer at the jail goes, well, we got to take it out.
Ooh.
So she kind of turned away, lifted up her shirt a little bit. Here you go.
Oh, wow.
Could have come out, huh? Okay. Because you're very dangerous according to the officers over here. We got to put 2 sets on you. No, it's actually just so that they can get their cuffs back.
What was this for?
Metful and Gordy.
What was it for?
Oh, alcohol possession under 21.
Thank you. No, that was good stuff.
All good? Step it up a little bit. Your head's getting in. It is tight.
This is a typical arrest under Florida's zero-tolerance policy during spring break. Although the violation was not severe, drinking alcohol while underage and driving is still strictly enforced by law. The story serves as a reminder to young people that just one beer can land you in jail, not because you're drunk, but because you're not of legal age.